Thank you for tuning into my channel, and we're gonna have something here that you guys didn't notice. We're gonna talk about this guy here. It's called a ROVA selfie drone. Um, it's a lot of potential, to be honest with you. And the issue that I'm having is right now, because I'm gonna show you the video, is the app. And I think this is the reason why really people are really confused with this drone. I mean, the price is pretty decent. You know, it could be better. It could be better. I have a lot of video coming up, so if you tune into my channel, and be honest with you, I've flown this already. It's really confusing, and I think that's the reason why I don't want to say DJI, or I don't want to say any other brand, comparing it, because I don't really like comparing. To be honest with you, I think every selfie drones are totally different. Comparing to other drones, but just like this guy here, still a drone, and I don't get paid by DJI. I don't, I'm just doing my honest review as a person that's gonna buy this drone. This one right here, I mean, it's kind of safe, but like I said, this is brushless motor, and brushless motor on this one right here. And if you hit some object or a tree or anything else, it's not gonna stop right away. It's just gonna keep spinning, and three of them are spinning, and one of them is gonna get stuck. Like this guy here. You hit something, everything shuts off. There's something, it's called a safety, I don't want to call it, but it's kind of like have safe in it. But what I'm trying to say is, for selfie drone, I mean, I understand, because think about it right now. This is the reason why Rise did not come up with the brushless motor. Because if they're gonna start having a brushless motor, I don't know if you guys seen the Winsland drone, it's gonna make it heavier. And then once you make it heavier, when you put a battery in, you're only gonna get maybe a 7 minutes flight time, depending on because the reason why is that, because this one right here has to work harder. It's like explaining it to a V6 motor to a 4-cylinder engine. It's very efficient. That's the reason why the brush motors are efficient. That's the reason why I think Rise came up. Just make it. Anyway, I don't want to, like I said, I don't like comparing it. It's totally different beast. This one got a good camera. This one shoots 12 megapixels, shoots 1080p. But it's just it hovers, and you see here the obstacle avoidance, I'm sorry, the position sensors, and you can see here the reason why for that is good, steady. Even though this guy with low light still does it, but it's basically much steady like a GPS. Well, this guy here, because I don't know if it's just this is a camera, and you can see here, you see that it has a camera also, but you have both of this side right here, kind of like the DJI Spark has, kind of like the Mavic Air has. And this particular ROVA drone, I don't know if it has that, but it seems like it's just a camera. So it's really having a hard time to hover. I understand you got obstacle avoidance. That's a good thing they did that. I mean, this is a brushless motor. I don't think this is a safest. I don't know, but I think the apps needs to do more updates. This is the thing about, I don't want to say it's cheap. They did a good job. They did a good job on this one, and I like it. And let me see this app right here. This is the app that I'm talking about. I think it needs more potential on this guy here. They should do a lot of updates. I mean, they can have more flight modes. This thing got a droney mode, and this has already been out for like 6 months, maybe for a year. This guy here just came out maybe like 2 months, maybe like a month, and this guy got updates already. Rise did that, and I think this company should do the same thing. And yeah, with this battery here, I felt like I only got like 3 minutes flight time, or maybe 5 minutes flight time. I don't think this is a full 8 minutes flight time in this guy here. But I'm gonna go ahead and time it for you guys. Like I said, tune into my channel, and I'm just trying to find something out there, something that you guys can for decent $400. And what else can you get for $100? And I do put the Mambo, but like I said, I don't wanna compare the Mambo to a Tello anymore, because apparently it's just, you know, it's just FPV. It's not really like this one can do. You know, this one got most flight modes and all that kind of stuff. So if you tune into my channel, I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the test, put this in the field. I'll put this in exhaust. If you tune in, I mean, I put this guy right here in a rough condition, and this guy can handle pretty much everything else. But like I said, I don't like to compare it. But by having this guy, the build quality, I would say did a good job. But I don't think it's this safe to people just to have this as selfie. Even me as a, I don't want to say expert, but I've been experienced with lots of drones, and this one right here is still kind of funny way of flying. But anyway, thank you for tuning in, and I really do appreciate it. And I'm gonna put this in the sky.